Hello everyone, we are the Calculads, and today we're going to be talking about the chain rule. So the formal definition of the chain rule is that it is a formula that expresses the derivative of a composition of two differentiable functions. So to start off with the function, or the formula, the derivative of a function inside of a function needs to be multiplied by the derivative of the inside function again to get the proper expression. And this is my really good drawing of a dolphin, by the way. So for our first example, g of x equals 3x squared minus 1 to the power of 5. So knowing that the power of the 5 we can count as the outside function, we need to ignore the inside function first and find the derivative of the outside function. So what we can do, take this and place it as a coefficient and then subtract 1 from the power. So this leaves 5 times the inside function to the power of 4, and then knowing we have to add 6x at the end due to this part of the rule where g of x is the derivative and you multiply to the end. So this leaves our final answer as 30x times 3x squared minus 1 to the power of 4. For the second example, we have f of x equals e to the sine of x. So we can treat e as the inside function and sine of x as the outside function. So what we can do first is find the derivative of sine of x and put it at the front. Since sine of x, we know our trig rules, it'll be cosine of x. And since the derivative of e by itself will just be e, so in the end we just multiply it by e times the sine of x, which is the original function. And that leaves our f of x to be e to the sine of x times cosine of x. And for our final example, we'll start off with h of x equals the natural log of 4 to the power of x. And to find the derivative of that, we know that the derivative of natural log is 1 over x. So then we'll put the inside function at the bottom since multiplying by the derivative of this. And then we finally repeat it, so it'll be 4 to the power of x, which is the inside function multiplied by natural log of 4. And that simplifies down to h prime of x equals the natural log of 4. And this is our friend Dylan, and I think he's very enlightened from our lesson.
Thanks, Calculads. Now I know the chain rule.